is the day my generallee caught fire. It took me 7 years to build this car. So I was going to go to the store to get some bolts because I've been working on the Nova, and I pulled out and it wasn't running right. And this was just another symptom, but I had taken a wire tie off of some wires, and so the transmission fluid drained out, but I'd also let the positive battery cable wire, get too close to the exhaust, and it started on fire. And so I went here and pulled it back up, and it wouldn't turn off. When I turned the key off, the starter kept going. I'm like, what is going on with this car? It was running perfectly yesterday. It went probably 100 miles. So I hop out, and I'm like, is that smoke? So I lift the hood, and it's hard to get to because it's old. It doesn't just pop with a lever or a thing. And I see it, and I'm like, oh no, and I start trying to blow it out. You see me bending over the hood, trying to blow the fire out down by the starter. And I run into the house, and you can see me run through the front yard around all the other stuff because I was working on the Nova. And then I run through the kitchen because I'm running toward the fire extinguisher, which, duh. Everything ended up being fine. I'm sitting there on the side. I figured out when the battery cable got too close to the header, it melted it and then made the starter try to start, and then of course too much heat and it caught on fire. But all's well that ends well. The car is fine. I'm fine. The house is fine. The Nova's even fine. So thanks for watching. Could have been a lot worse. Could have caught gasoline. Could have burned the whole car to the ground. Be careful out there. Thanks for watching. Bye.